talk about a little bit about, first of all, I don't know whether estrogen replacement is something that, okay. You tell us something about estrogen replacement.
Okay. Well, it's not something that I do routinely. Usually it's done by the OBGYNs. And estrogen replacement, I'll tell you the little snapshot that I know. In a postmenopausal woman, estrogen replacement can be considered for like within the first 5 years after menopause, and it is used for hot flashes that is not responding to any other treatment. Estrogen is not the first line treatment, but sometimes women use it for they use it for other reasons. They use it for there can be vaginal dryness, there can be just aging, and they want to prevent aging from happening, so they take estrogen. Again, it's recommended for the first 5 years, and then you taper and you stop. The truth is that God made our body to have menopause at a certain age, and allowing the tissues to be continuously stimulated with estrogen even well beyond those initial 5 years after menopause is probably going to create more harm than good. So we say you can use estrogen replacement about 5 years and then stop. From an endocrine perspective, we talk about bone density and the decline in bone density that happens. So when the estrogen levels drop in someone who is menopausal, the bone density also starts going down. So will estrogen replacement then prevent the loss of bone density? Probably not. Mm-hmm. So bone density can decline even with estrogen replacement. So that's something to kind of just kind of understand. So doing the calcium and vitamin D, especially in that perimenopausal age, and making sure we're not calcium and vitamin D deficient will help to protect the bones.
Okay, thank you so much.